Okay, so we will continue today's lesson. Okay. Okay, you can take out your textbook. This is page 44. Okay, so please write index for today. Okay, products and quotients of quadratic expressions. Okay, products means multiply times. Quotient means divide. Okay, so this is an index for today. Today is 15. Okay, so now you can see the expressions is more and more complicated. Okay, so today we want to see the expression that involve with product and quotients. Okay, product means times. Look at this example. Okay, these two brackets, okay, in between is times. Okay, that's why they say it's a products. Okay, products of algebraic expressions. Okay, so this is one of the algebraic expression. This is the second one. Okay, in between is time. So after we will learn this, we call it product rules. Okay, but this exercise or this activity they want us to how to say, compare. Okay, if we expand and we do the differentiation and we follow this and do the differentiation, we want to compare whether the answer are the same or not. Okay, so I'm going to show you now. Okay, so first of all, okay, expand the expression. Okay, so I'm going to expand this. Okay, you can do by yourself also. Okay, then we can compare. Okay, and then find, okay, divide the x by differentiating each term separately. Okay, so I maybe do it here. Okay, first of all, the first term I keep, I don't do anything. Okay, the second terms, okay, you have a square, so I square. Okay, so x squared. Okay, -4 times -4 is positive 16. Okay, then first term times second terms is -4x. Okay, times 2, so -8x. Okay, you remember, this is a shortcut. Always I teach you. Okay, the shortcut. Okay, expand the two bracket. Okay, next. This one is complicated. You have two terms here, you have the three terms here. Okay, so when you want to expand, okay, term by term. So first term to the first term. Okay, so x squared times x squared, you have x to power 4. Okay, first term to the second terms. So it's negative, okay, 8. And then x squared, and then you have x, so x to power 3. Okay, then first term to the third terms. Okay, positive. Okay, 16 x squared. Okay, so I have a settle for the first bracket, the first term. Now I'm going to settle the first bracket, the second terms. So same thing, second term to the first term, x squared. Second term to the second terms, minus 8x. Second term to the last term, okay, plus 16. Okay, now, okay, group the like term and arrange them. Okay, so I start with the highest power, x to power 4. Okay, after that, x to power 3. There's only one terms. Okay, after that, x to power 2. So we have this and this. You can combine. 17 plus 1. Sorry, 16 plus 1. So 17. Okay, then this one, nothing to combine. Just copy. Okay, so now, okay, the expression will become this way. Okay, so this is y. Okay, so next you do dy dx. Okay, differentiate it term by term. Okay, so first of all, x to power 4. This one I can call one by one and help me. Okay. Let us start with Aksa. Aksa here. Aksa here. Is Aksa here? You don't know respond. I don't know how to consider. You are here or you are not here? Okay. Next, Catherine.
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Okay, Catherine, can you help me the first term? Okay, x to power 4. Differentiate x to power 4. What do you get?
Teacher.
Oh.
Teacher, sorry,
Who is
sorry.
this?
So very sorry.
Who is this?
Dashna.
Okay.
Teacher, they cannot join the meeting.
Who cannot join?
Kirtika all.
Huh?
Kirtika, and then some people cannot join in the meeting because there's no the joining button. It says the meeting recording process.
But last time no
Okay.
problem, right? Even I record also no problem, right?
Yeah, no problem. I don't know why. Maybe the permission is not allowed already.
Cannot be.
Yeah, she tell you to inform that she cannot join.
Who? Kritika only, is it? Who else?
Kirtika and someone else, some Malay girls, I don't know. They put in the group.
Okay. You just tell them, keep trying. Okay. If not, then afterwards, just watch the video.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. We come back to Catherine.
Yeah, teacher.
Yeah. Can you differentiate x to power 4? Bring down the power. You still remember?
Bring down the power times with x4 power 4 minus 1.
So 4 and then x. Okay. 4 minus 1, you get what?
3.
So power 3. Okay. So this is the first term. Okay. Dashna, you try the second terms.
Negative 8x cubed, right, teacher?
Yes. So you differentiate negative 8x cubed. What do you get?
Negative 24x squared.
Okay, very good. Farah? Is Farah here? Farah? Hello, Farah? Farah? Okay, is Hema here? Hema? Hema, I know you can on your mic. Yeah, Hema. Hema, I can't hear you.
Hello?
Yeah? Can you say louder?
Hello?
Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah.
Now?
Can you help me to differentiate the third terms? 17x squared. Can you differentiate it?
34x.
Okay, 34x. Very good. Okay, plus 34x. Okay. Next was Janelle.
Yes, teacher.
Can you differentiate negative 8x?
Will become negative 8.
Okay, negative 8. Very good. Okay, lastly, Shoping.
Yes.
Okay, Shoping can differentiate 16?
Cannot.
Cannot. What's your answer?
0, 16.
0. Yeah, 0. You cannot say cannot. You cannot do. Okay, you differentiate 16, you get 0. Okay, so that's all. Okay, after you differentiate all this, you will get this. Okay, now we want to try another method. This method actually we call it product rules. Okay, so we want to try whether you will get the same thing or not. Okay, so how to enlarge this? Wait, Jenny, 怎样 enlarge 回啊？怎样 enlarge 回这个不是 collections， 不是这个是 zoom。enlarge 是加吗？ enlarge 是加，这个是 zoom。什么是 enlarge？ 我要看到 full screen。跑去哪里了那个 ？Anyone know how to enlarge back this screen？ 减是 zoom out。Okay, I know already. Because this one disturbing. This one how to close it? Okay, 可以了。Okay, sorry. Okay, we come back here. Okay, now we try this. Okay, this one, the number 3. Okay, so you set the first expression as u, and then you set the second expression as v. Okay, and then you differentiate it. Okay, you see okay, you differentiate u with respect to x, you differentiate v with respect to x. Okay, so you differentiate the first expression, after that you differentiate the second expressions. Okay, so I differentiate the first expressions du dx. Okay, so I'm going to differentiate x squared plus 1. So I differentiate x squared, I get 2x. Okay, I differentiate 1, I get 0. Okay, so I don't write. Okay, for the dv, okay, the second expressions, dv dx. Okay, how I'm going to differentiate this? Okay, remember the previous lesson. Okay, you bring down the 2. Okay, you copy the whole bracket. Okay, and then okay, the power minus 1. So 2 minus 1, you get 1. Okay, 1 no need to write. After that, remember to differentiate whatever in the bracket. So when you differentiate this, okay, you differentiate x, you get 1. Okay, you differentiate this, you get 0. So it's 1. Okay, actually no need to write also can. Okay, so what you get is 2x. Okay, I expand minus 8. Okay, so this is what I get after I differentiate the first expression and I differentiate the second expression. This is what I get. Okay, after that you do this. Okay, write this. Okay, so u is this, the first expression. So I write u dv dx plus v du dx will be, okay, u is x squared plus 1. Okay, this is u. Okay, then dv dx, this is dv dx, 2x minus 8. Okay, plus, okay, v is this. Okay, so x minus 4. Okay, then power 2. Okay, du dx is this, 2x. So 2x. Okay, so how I'm going to compare this with just now? Okay, you see this one got no brackets. Therefore, this one I got to expand. Okay, expand and then I can compare. Okay, so next I'm going to do the expansion for this. Okay, so I continue here. Okay, this is 2 terms. Okay, 2 brackets here. So same, the first term to the first term. So this is 2x to power 3. Okay, first term to the second terms, negative 8x squared. Okay, then second term to the first term, 2x. Second term to the second term, negative 8. Okay, then this one. Okay, this one before you join with the 2x, you expand this first. Okay, the one with the square, 2 brackets. So x squared, okay, shortcut, plus 16. Okay, negative 4 times x, negative 4x times 2, negative 8x. Okay, then only times with the 2x. Okay, so this one, I can't do anything. Okay, so I copy down. Okay, then this one term by terms, expand it. So 2x to power 3, 16, x to power 2, and then lastly 32x. Okay, now I want to see any terms that I can combine. Okay, so power 3, I have this and this. Okay, so equals, this is 4x to power 3. Okay, can you see the first term? Okay, same. Okay, next, power 2, this and this. So both are negative, so negative 24 x to power 2. Okay, same. Okay, next, x 32 plus 2, 34x. Okay, same. Okay, last, okay, negative 8, also the same. Okay, so it's proven now. Okay, so you can use this method. Okay, if it's too difficult for you to expand, okay, don't use the first method, the expansion method. Okay, you can use this method. Yeah, so after that I will give you more example. Okay, how I apply this product rules. Okay, then actually if you use, when you use product rules, all this you no need to do. I do this is because I would like to compare to my first method answer. Okay, so how if after I use the product rules, how should I continue? Okay, here I can't see any terms the same. X minus 4. Maybe here you have when you take out the 2 just now, you have x minus 4. Then you can now factor out the x minus 4. Okay, so here this part. Okay, maybe I will do again for these questions. I will do again. Okay, so I will open out another window. Okay, I want to copy the questions. Okay, now purely using our product rules, but repeat just now the same questions. Okay, so the question is y equals to x squared plus 1, x minus 4, okay, power 2. Okay, so b, x squared plus 1. Oh, sorry, just now they use u first. Same thing lah, u. Okay, then v, x minus 4, okay, power 2. Okay, so you just differentiate this. Same thing, 2x. And when you differentiate this, okay, drag down the power, x minus 4. Okay, this is the answer. Don't expect. Okay, so just leave it. Okay, so if product rules, okay, I write out dy dx is equals to, okay, u dv dx, v du dx. Okay, product rules. Okay, so u x squared plus 1. Okay, dv dx this. So 2 x minus 4. In between is times, I didn't write. Okay, v x minus 4 power 2 du dx is 2x. Okay, now I don't want to expand it. Okay, so can you see I have the same factor here, x minus 4 and x minus 4, one of it lah, because here got 2. Okay, so I can take out the x minus 4. Okay, the same factor I can take out. So the balance for the first term, after I take out this, I still have 2 and x squared plus 1. I still have 2 and x squared plus 1. Okay, this is for the first term. Second terms, after I take out x minus 4, I still have another x minus 4 because of the square here. So I have 2x and x minus 4. Okay. Okay, next, this x minus 4, okay, just copy. This part you can expand. Okay, then after you can see whether any like term you can combine. Okay, so expand it, 2x squared, and then 2x squared, and then minus 8x. Okay, continue. Okay, 2x squared and the 2x squared, so it's 4x squared. Okay, minus 8x plus 2. Okay, if you want, you can see here whether you can factor into 2 brackets. If not, then you see the common factor here is 2. So you still can take out 2. Okay, so you take out 2. So here will be 2, 4, and then 1. Okay, I'm not sure whether this one can write in 2 brackets or not. Okay, so I will just leave it as my final answer. Okay. Any questions so far? Are you still with me? I have 19 students now. 4 not here. Are you still with me? Hello, someone on the mic?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, now we go back to the textbook again. Okay, we want to see more example. Okay, you see they give you this example. How you want to expand this? There's no way to expand this. So you have to use the product rules. Okay. So in your exercise book, remember you should write this product rules. And this is the product rules. Okay, you should write this. Okay, let us jump the next activity. We go and see some questions for product rules. Okay. Then after that, we only come back. Okay, look at these questions. I think here got no space for me to write. So I'm going to copy same thing. I use this page. Okay. Okay, you can see your textbook. Okay, next I'm going to do example 8A. Okay, you can start with let the whole thing be the y.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Teacher, you know why they cannot join?
Uh-huh.
Because you already start recording. So when you already start recording, they cannot join.
Huh? Like that ah? So how?
That's
Then
why
I
I also
stop.
I don't know. But you know why? Because whenever we click the camera, right, it will say meeting started, join. But when now they all click it, it shows the meeting in recording process. There's no join button.
You know last time always someone join late also they got no problem.
Join before.
That's the thing. It always
Siranya,
showing.
yes. Siranya said yes.
Yeah, when even the meeting is recording, I got join before.
Yeah,
Ah.
but they cannot join at all. My phone also showing can join, but her phone not showing at all. She go like delete her app and download back all, but she cannot join. Her app doesn't even show the join button.
Alamak.
Like yours.
Okay. I don't know how to fix this but no, tell her don't worry, okay. They put in WhatsApp already. I will still consider they are present just after they watch the video lah. Okay, as long as they let me know earlier or that they let me know during the lesson is on, I will not consider they are absent lah. Okay, tell them don't worry lah. I will consider them as a present, but afterwards they have to watch the video lah. Okay, so I continue Okay, so same thing. I will let the first expression as u and then the second expression as the v. Okay, x minus 3 power 4. Okay, so I will differentiate the first expression with respect to x. So 2x, is it the same question? Power 4. Oh no, just now it's a power 2. Okay, so the second expression also same thing. I'm going to differentiate it. So I bring down the power. Okay, x minus 3. The power minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then I differentiate this, I get 1. So I don't write. Okay, so I just leave it. Okay, so if using the product rules, okay, so dy dx is equal to, I write it out. Okay, u and then dv dx plus v and then u du dx. Okay, so first u is this, just write back u x squared plus 1. Okay, dv dx, this is the dv dx, so 4 x minus 3 power 3. Okay, v is this, so x minus 3 power 4, and then u is 2x. Can you see actually I'm doing like this and then this, so like a cross, this times this and then plus this times this. Can you see it? Okay, this again times this plus this and then times this. Okay, so now always the student will have the problem after this one got no problem. After this, how to explain or how to factor out, always the student will have problem. Okay, but never mind lah, you learn slowly. Okay, you see, you check and see any bracket are the same. Do you have an x squared plus 1 here? Okay, no. So you forget about this x squared plus 1. Okay, do you have the x minus 3? Yes, you have the x minus 3. Okay, here you have a power 3, mean you have a 3 of it. Here you have the power 4, mean you have 4 of it. Okay, so the highest one, the common factor that you can factor out from both will be the power 3.
Hi guys, I'm here.
Yeah.
Really.
Why? What happened to you?
Hi. I don't know. I couldn't join
younger.
since morning. I'm trying. Sira gave me a link from WhatsApp. WhatsApp is I joined and it. Wow. Hi teacher. Good morning.
But they say it's not the problem of because I start recording, because before that also someone joined very late also got no problem.
I cannot join. That's why I don't know why. From the link now I can join. The Sira sent one.
Who sent?
Sira sent me a meeting link through WhatsApp. I clicked. It joined.
Who is Sida? Who is Sida?
Oh, Siranya. Sorry.
Siranya.
Yeah.
Then why Sirania send you a link, then you can click and join?
I don't know.
Sirania, how you do it?
I don't know, actually, I just take the link from the Teams and then I send her only.
Okay lah. Next time also, if when anyone have this problem, please help each other.
Okay.
Okay. So I continue. Okay. So
Okay.
you see this one, I can factor out x minus 3 power 3. So here means the same thing. I'm going to take out x minus 3 power 3. So it will left x minus 3 only. Okay. So here when I take out this, so the balance is 4. Okay. And then x plus 1. Sorry, x squared plus 1. For the second terms, when I take out power 3, so it left power 1. So you still have 2x and then x minus 3. Okay, power 1 I don't write lah. Okay, next. Okay, I'm going to expand this. Then after that, I will see anything I can combine or not. Okay, so 4x squared and then 4. This is 2x squared, 6x. Okay, x squared and x squared, so 6x squared minus 6x and then plus 4. Okay, here clearly that I can take out 2, factor out 2. Okay, I need one more line. Okay, so I write 2. Okay, when take out 2, balance is 3, 3, and then 2. Okay, my answer is the same as inside the textbook. Okay, so I'm going to go through example B as well. Okay, this is example number 8B. Okay, same thing. I will let this whole thing be the y. So at least I repeat a few times. You can see clearer. Okay, then this one will be the second. Sorry, 4. This one will be the second term. Second expressions. Okay, so I'll let the first one be u. Okay, the second one be v. Okay, this one instead of I'm writing the square, I'm going to write half. 林妮啊，你要停啊？哪一直来啊？ Okay, then you differentiate Okay, du, dx. You differentiate the first one. Okay, so you differentiate the first one, you get 3. Then you differentiate the second one. Okay, differentiate the second one. Be careful a little bit. This one more complicated. So bring down the power, the half. Then 4x minus 1. Okay, the power minus 1. So half minus 1, you get negative half. Okay, and then differentiate the one in the bracket. So you will getting 4x, you will get 4. Then the minus 1, you get 0. Okay, then here, this one you can cut. So you get 2. Oh, very complicated. Okay, so you write the 2. Okay, and then this one, negative. So you write in the denominator. And then the half as the square root. Okay, so this is what you're going to get. Okay, then remember the cross. Okay, so you can straight away, no need to write the formula already. Okay, you can straight away write 3x plus 2 and then this. Okay, 2 4x minus 1. Okay, and then plus, okay, 3 and then times this 4x minus 1. Okay, this one maybe I don't write in this way. Okay, I will write in square root form. Okay. Okay, anything same common factor that I can factor out. Wow, if I see the textbook, it's quite complicated. It combine, become one. Okay, they do in this way. Okay, so they want to get the common denominator. So here, the denominator is a square root 4x minus 1. So here, okay, you can times okay, square root 4x minus 1 for the denominator and numerator. Okay, so they have a common denominator now, 4x minus 1. Okay. So this is 3. This and this, square root and square root, okay, inside is the same thing. Last time you have learned this before. Square root A times square root A. What's the answer? Kritika, since you are here.
Yes.
Square root A times square root A.
A.
Okay, so you will get A. So square root 4x minus 1 times square root 4x minus 1, you will get 4x minus 1. Okay? Then I continue. Since I have the same common denominator, so I can write once enough. And then the numerator, okay, I write all together. Okay, so this one I expand 6x and then 4. Okay, this one also I expand it after I see whether I can combine it. 12x minus 3. Okay, I write here lah. Okay, so 6 and 12 or 18x. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, then my answers are same as your textbook answer. Okay. Okay, maybe I continue one more quotient rules. Okay, I can come back to your textbook a while. Quotient rule is here. So in your notes, just now you write product rules. Okay, secondly, you write quotient rules. Quotient rules. Okay, and then this is the formula for quotient rules. Okay, then same thing, I'm going to use one example for quotient rules. Okay, okay, this is the example I'm going to use. Okay, first of all, I'm going to expand. Oh, they rewrite. Then using product rules. I don't want to compare already lah. I straight away use quotient rules and solve it lah. Okay, so maybe I use this example. Okay, but use quotient rule straight away. I use quotient rule to solve it. Okay, so no comparison already. You want the comparison after you use the product rules. Okay, after that then you compare my quotient rules and see whether same or not. Okay, so I come back here. Okay, so this is the questions. Okay, y equals x minus 1 squared, x minus 1 and then square. Okay, so we follow the quotient rules. Okay, same thing. Quotient rules, you set this as u and then you set this as v. Okay, so u is x. Okay, and then v is x minus 1 and then square. Okay, so du dx. Okay, du dx, you differentiate this, you get 1. Okay, dv dx. Okay, you differentiate this, bring down 2. This one 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, you differentiate this, you get 1. So this is your differentiation. Okay, so if you use quotient rules, Okay, I write out. So it's v du dx minus u dv dx. Okay, and then v squared. Okay. Always for me, I have a difficulty in memorizing this formula. So what I will memorize, what I will remember is this. Okay, you see the v square. Actually, v is represent the bottom one, the denominator. So what I'm going to do is, you know, I remember the denominator. You just square it. Okay, this is the denominator itself. The whole thing, you square it. After that, write back the denominator. Okay, I repeat, the denominator you square it. After that, write back the denominator. Okay, which is the v lor. Okay, then differentiate the numerator, which is 1 lor. Here, 1. Okay, then remember this is minus. Then, okay, write back the numerator, which is x. Okay, and then differentiate the denominator. Okay, same thing you see. This one is like a cross. Okay, so I continue. Sorry, here I couldn't. I have to write a times here. Okay, and I continue. Okay, so now same thing. How do I, you know? Don't just stop here. Okay, this is very ugly. Okay, you have to simplify or modify a bit. Okay, the 2 and the 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so the 1 here, no effect. See? So you just write back x minus 1 power 2. Okay, here we write 2x and then x minus 1. Okay, I write here. Okay, x minus 1 power 4. Okay, you see x minus 1 and x minus 1, the same factor. So x minus 1, you write out. Okay, so I take out one of the x minus 1 already. The first term, I still have x minus 1. Okay, for the second term, this one I factor out already. So I just left for 2x. Okay, last step already. I'm going to combine this. So x minus x. So negative x, negative 1. Okay, so this is what I'm going to get. Okay. Questions for me so far?
Teacher,
Mm-hmm.
the x minus 1 can be factorized because the denominator got x minus 1.
Minus 1, which one? Yeah, you are right. Okay, very good. Okay, thanks. Okay, so you see x minus 1. Okay, you can cancel with the 1 of the x minus 1 power 3. Okay, and then here if you want to factor out the negative, also can. Sorry, I continue here. So it can take out the negative. So here will be x plus 1. Okay, then denominator will become x minus 1 and then power 3. Okay, I think that's all. No more can be simplified. Okay, yes. Okay. Dashna, okay or not?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you one or two more example, okay, by using this quotient rules. Okay. So look at example 10 in your textbook. Okay, this is example 10A. Okay, quotient rules. Okay, if you want, you can write here. Okay, the u 2x plus 1. So the du dx is 2. Okay, v x squared plus minus 3 dv dx 2x. Okay, so okay, you see, remember, okay, denominator square it, write back the denominator, Okay, write back the denominator here. Okay, cross it. Okay, times 2 minus, okay, this and this. Okay, so 2x plus 1. Remember, this is minus, not plus. Like just now, product rules is plus. Okay, now it's minus. Okay, now I'm going to see anything same common factor here. No. No. Okay, so no common factor. So but I can see the 2 and the 2. Okay, so I can take out 2. So minus 3. Okay, minus x, 2x plus 1.
Teacher,
Okay. Yeah, I make mistake again.
I'm not sure, but x square minus 3 got ma. X square minus 3. Above also got, below also got.
But cannot, because here don't have. Unless you you take out already for both, then only you can cut. Understand,
Or we
Darshana?
cannot.
Because here in between is plus minus. If this is times, then okay. Okay,
Oh,
just now you understand, right? Just now is like that. Like that. So in between is
Just now.
times. Then only you can cut. But here cannot. Here because this one is minus. Okay, then here you don't have another x squared minus 3. If you have x squared minus 3, you factor out already. Then same like just now, only you can cut. Okay, Darshana?
Okay.
Okay, so now I'm going to expand this and then group the like term. Okay, I continue here. Okay, x squared and with the x squared. Okay, so negative 2 and 1, so negative x squared. Okay, negative x and negative 3. Okay, so x squared minus 3 over 2. Okay, then all the negative you can take out actually. Negative 2, so x squared plus x plus 3 lor. And then here, unless here you can write the 2 bracket lah, but I don't think so. Okay, so my answer is same as like in the textbook. Okay. One more example. I don't know. Wow, this example is quite complicated. What do you have after this? What subject you have?
BM.
Huh? BM ah? Oh, who's your BM teacher?
Cikgu Atika.
Cikgu Atika.
Mm.
Can pinjam 5 minutes from her ah?
We go ask her.
Can ah?
Okay, hold on, teacher.
So I show one more example, then we stop okay? Okay, so this is example number 10B. Okay, this one is quite difficult. Is it same like just now? No. Oh, okay, just now is product rules, now is quotient rules. Okay, show that they give you answer already. Okay, show that you must be able to prove this. Okay. Okay, 4x minus 1 and then power 3. Okay, you see, so complicated. Okay, you have to show exactly, you have to make sure you get this answer. If not, cannot. Okay, so same thing. Okay, we'll start with u and v. Oh, so complicated, man. Okay, so u as x. Okay, du dx. Okay, differentiate this, you get 1. Okay, v 4x minus 1. Okay, power half. Okay, the square root, I write it as power half. Okay, then dv dx. Okay, differentiate this. So bring down the half. 4x minus 1. Okay, half minus 1. So you negative half. Ooh. Okay, then differentiate this, you get 4. Okay, same like just now. Okay, this is 2. Okay, so this is a power negative, so at the denominator, okay, half, so I write the square root, 4x minus 1. Okay, so this is what I get. Okay, now using quotient rules, complicated. Okay, if the previous lesson, you still cannot, then difficult. Cannot draw the line. Oh, okay. So we'll start with the denominator square. Okay, quotient rules. This is the denominator. Okay, square. Okay, after that, copy back the denominator. 4x minus 1. Denominator is which one? This one, 4x minus 1. So this and this times 1 minus x times with this. Yes, x times with this. Okay, you can see this from here, how you going to reach here. This is another problem. Okay, we'll see how we do. Okay, so this part, square root and square. Okay, so it will disappear. So 4x minus 1. Whew. This is 3 over 2. This is 2 over 2. Okay, so here, okay, I simplify a little bit first. Okay, 4x minus 1. Okay, times 1 is nothing. Okay, this one bring up here, so it's 2x, and then 4x minus 1. Okay, Okay, continue. Okay, this part I'm going to do like just now. Okay, share the common denominator, which is 4x minus 1. Okay, here, denominator 4x minus 1. So I'm going to times 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1. Okay, this one actually is over 1. Okay, over again. 4x minus 1. Burning already. Okay, so now I have a same denominator already. Okay, this and this, same thing like just now I asked, square root a times square root a, so it's a. So 4x minus 1, we will get square root 4x minus 1, minus 1, 2x, 4x minus 1, over 4x minus 1. Okay. Oh, I forgot already. Actually, I got another class. Ayo, say 4 lor. Okay, never mind lah. Okay, continue. Here, 4x minus 1. Okay, so same denominator already. Minus 1 minus 2x. Okay, then 4x minus 1. Okay, so 4x minus 2x is 2x minus 1. Okay, then this one can come down here. Okay, so 4x minus 1 and then 4x minus 1. Okay, so this is power half, this is power 1. Therefore, altogether is power 3 over 2. Okay, 2x minus 1. Okay, I think you get the answer already. 2x minus 1. Okay, and then bottom, you just write back square root and then power 3. Okay, so I think that's all for today. The homework afterwards, I will tell in WhatsApp group. Okay, wait for a while. I have to take the attendance. Okay, stop recording.